Hi, I'm Reyma Ubuato from Red Manga Alliance. I came from La Union. It's a very far place, but you know, sometimes you have to do the best that you could in attending these types of events because you would never know that if you would get exposed. Here's my work. Here's an art book that I made. Its title is From Our Native Language, Anya Daloy, which means what's this? Uh, Mostly I do computer CG and not comic work. But sometimes I do them face to face or swapping them vice versa. My greatest inspiration in writing is my family because I came from the provinces. I live from the mountain tops. You would never believe that my family supporting my comic work through farming. So you could find me on Facebook. My name is Rey Maru. That's RFEIMARU dot Buado.